This is Space Command to Zoom. All systems are go for your message to Danny.
Hey, Danny, it's your birthday. I'm in charge of the stars, and I'm here to say, hey, Danny, you're the big star today. My name is Zoom, and I live on the moon, but I came down to Earth just to sing you this tune. 'Cause, Danny, it's your birthday today. A present for you I wanted to find, an outer space creature, a one of a kind, a wild womp or a kukul chew, a snaffle crop or a buzzer snoo, or maybe a three-eyed tickle shay for your birthday. Did you ask?
What's a kukul chew?
Well, up on the moon, it's nothing new. But that won't do for you on your birthday. I searched behind the clouds and stars. I even zoomed my flight to Mars and met my friend the Saucer Man, and he said,
Hey, Zoom, I've got the bestest plan. What your friend needs is something new. So how about a song just from you?
So tonight, when you're in bed, I'll be singing to you as I zoom overhead. Singing, Danny, happy birthday. Singing, Danny, happy birthday. Singing, Danny.